I don't think people understand just how massive the Venetian Macau really is. It's not just a casino, it's a city built from scratch. It rose from the sea faster than you can say, high roller. Let's rewind to 2004. Macau's skyline is about to transform forever. The Las Vegas Sands Corporation sets its sights on Asia's next gambling capital. And decides to go big. Really big. First challenge, there's no land. So they reclaim a chunk of earth between two islands, turning water into real estate. Then, the race is on. They build on-site factories to churn out thousands of prefabricated hotel rooms and truck in parts from across China, like assembling a giant Lego set, but for grown-ups with billion-dollar budgets. The result? The Venetian Macau, a mega resort with 3,000 luxurious suites, a 15,000-seat arena, a world-class theater, a shopping mall with 350 stores lined along canals you can actually gondola down just like Venice. And at its heart, a casino floor the size of 7 football fields buzzing with dreams and dollars 24/7. From an empty stretch of sea to an icon of ambition. This is how you build a legend at breakneck speed. The Venetian Macau isn't just the world's biggest casino, it's proof that with enough vision and enough concrete, you really can make the impossible possible. So next time you hear what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas, remember, Macau rewrote the rules.